Assalamu guys, day first of vlogging by cycle. I will be go to buy something for my eating. I will be go to something buy. I will be very hungry because I will be go to buy something. Okay, I will be in the road. Okay, some bikes will be come. Okay. Ya Habibi ya Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. What it okay?